Now, if a man sees his doctor every 3 days, and let's say he's going to start the visit this very Tuesday, so what day would be his 25th visit? So we're going to try out a smaller number of visits. Now, since you're asked to solve for the 25th visit, let's assume that we're going to be solving for the third visit. Let's see what it looks like. Now, don't forget, every 3 days, if the visit starts on Tuesday, so that's going to be on Saturday, let's say from Saturday to Tuesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So the first visit is on Tuesday. So there's the first visit on Tuesday. So the next visit, which would be the next 3 days, the next visit, which would be the next 3 days, will be on when? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That will be on a Friday. So after that, don't forget that there's the first visit, and this will be the second visit. So the next 3 days, we make it another visit, which will be Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, which will be on a Monday, which is the third visit. Now, don't forget, we are asked to solve for the day that this 25th visit will be. So I'm just trying to see what the third visit will look like. So let's see what's going to look like. So don't forget the first visit, which is the first 3 days, brought us to Tuesday, which is the first visit. So the next visit, Friday, the third visit, which is Monday. So if you're asked to get the day the third visit will be, so what's going to be? So don't forget, the first visit is Tuesday, so we are going to remove one day out of it. We're going to remove one visit. So you're going to be left with just two visits. So that'll be 2 times 3 days, because it happens every 3 days interval, which is 6 days. So we divide it by 7. 7 and 6 is 0, remember 7, remember 6, I beg your pardon. So that's 6 modulo 7. So if the first visit is on Tuesday, Tuesday plus 6 days will give us when? Tuesday plus 6 days, Tuesday plus 6 days will give us surely Monday. So we've seen what it looks like solving for just 3 visits. So let's see what it's going to look like for the 25th visit. Don't forget that Tuesday is the first visit. So if Tuesday is the first visit, you're not going to be counting Tuesday, you're just going to remove Tuesday. So you're going to be left with 24 visits. So what's it going to be then? That'll be 24 visits times 3 days interval. Every visit is every 3 days. The first visit being Tuesday is off it, so we're going to be left with 25th, 24 visits. So 24 times 3 is 72. So 7 divides 72, we have 10, remainder 2. So what do we have? 2 modulo 7. That's what we have. We have 2 modulo 7.